Bitcoin money explicitly in a real sense has a medium-term opposition at $119.28, or so they especially basically thought. BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $204.71, which generally is very huge. BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The very current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money in a real sense is at $103,433,555, which generally basically is very huge, which is genuinely critical. 24 September 2023, in this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now and genuinely attempt to answer these habitually basically sought clarification on some things, facts, what sort of is essentially transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money, all things considered. Is BCH a for the most part sort of wise speculation, which sort of especially is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money support and opposition levels and so on in a kind of beautiful significant manner. In any case, prior to jumping pretty profound into the BCH specialized examination, explicitly let us in a real sense for the most part discuss the really current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner, or so they explicitly thought. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there sort of was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the really whole cryptographic money market to $1,043,861,656,281 in an unpretentious manner. The all-out exchanging volume in every way that really matters remains at $17,771,514,007, or so they generally truly thought. Bitcoin shares 49.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how the all-out exchanging volume truly generally remains at $17,771,514,007, which especially is genuinely huge incredibly. Which certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,273.57 level after a decay of 1.15% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of truly, has seen a value diminishing of 0.8%, coming to $1,580.19 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting what fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,273.57 level after a decay of 1.15%, or so they in a real sense thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $207.96, following a value change of 1.25% within a similar time span, which explicitly in a real sense is genuinely huge, or so they thought. XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP in every way that really matters, truly is somewhere near 1.24 and presently exchanging at 50 cents in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market, quite all goals and objects, is going in a sort of descending course for sort of fundamentally present moment, which generally shows that 24 September 2023. In this video we will walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and in every practical sense, certainly attempt to answer these much of the time for the most part in every practical sense, got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what truly is transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money, really is BCH an especially wise venture. Or so they entirely thought. As of now, a kind of broad in every practical sense, extremely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which generally shows that the really beautiful current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money for the most part is at $103,433,555, which truly is very huge in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money backing and opposition backing and obstruction certainly are significant specialized markers used to by and large distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in every practical sense in spite of mainstream thinking. Support generally basically is a level at which purchasers sort of become sort of more exceptionally dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which generally really is very huge. Similarly, opposition especially basically is a level at which merchants in every way that really matters become move commonly sort of dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher so Bitcoin shares 49.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly generally has a strength of 16.33%. Showing how the exceptionally complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $17,771,514,007, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking incredibly. Following generally essentially are the help and opposition levels of Bitcoin money, BCH, Bitcoin money execution. The ongoing Bitcoin money cost fundamentally in a real sense is $204.71, with an exchanging volume of $103,433,555 in the especially beyond 24 hours, so Bitcoin money support and obstruction levels, and so forth in an essentially kind of significant manner in a huge manner. Right now, BCH generally is somewhere near 1.58% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $3,994,514,352 United States dollars, sort of additional appearance. How support in a real sense certainly is a level at which purchasers basically become genuinely more kind of dynamic and for the most part, really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin Money Value Examination BCH Cost Examination for 24 September 2023, inside and in every practical sense, most certainly day-to-day time span, basically made sense of underneath, certainly further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, in an especially sort of enormous way. We utilize commonly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving sort of genuinely normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including fundamentally basic moving sort of normal, SMA, and outstanding moving reasonably genuinely normal, EMA, to generally truly break down the future development of the Bitcoin money. Truly further appearance how support truly is a level at which purchasers actually basically become sort of additional in every practical sense, dynamic, and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from falling any entirely further in an unobtrusive manner in a significant way. While BCH's Williams %R marker generally is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange, sort of sign in every practical sense, is quite conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how which basically truly brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $26,273.57 level after a decay of 1.15%. Kind of extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking in an unobtrusive manner. The especially relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the BCH coin fundamentally is in oversold stage, as RSI for the most part is at 25, so BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $204.71 in an in every practical sense, significant way. The MACD line in every practical sense is remaining underneath of the actually really signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting that the exceptionally relative strength record, RSI, shows that the BCH coin most certainly is in oversold stage, as RSI in a real sense is at 20.